Good morning, everyone. This is Dr. M.K Deb from the Department of Humanities and Social Sciences, Assam Downtown University. Today, I shall discuss dynamics of rural society, caste, class, conflict, power of control. People usually marry within the caste or subcaste in rural areas. Members of a caste trace their origin from a common ancestor, historical, mythical, or divine. The properties of the ancestor are worthy of being remembered by people, and these are well known to such an extent that a mere mention of that name is enough to recognize the group to which a person belongs. Among various views on caste in India, according to the context discussed here, we mention 6 characteristics of caste offered by G.S. Ghuriye. In his thesis to Cambridge University on race and caste in India, which was even published in several times, he suggested in his thesis that caste names could indicate 6 different possibilities. There are 4 characteristics of caste as identified by Ghuriye. Occupation is in some ways connected with caste, but not to the extent of prescribing it. Hence, Ghuriye used the phrase lack of choice regarding occupation. It has been known, for instance, that agriculturalists, soldiers, and confectioners have come from different castes and different backgrounds. In some ways, however, occupational connection is a ready reference for the other groups to identify a person. Each caste has its own social rules regarding things it can make or not take, use or not use. These relate to dress, ornaments, and even place for living. In southern India, the rural social structure ecology of the village reflects the caste divisions, the status going down as one moves from the northeast to the south or southwest. For example, in his study of a village, Tanjore district of Tamil Nadu, Petele has shown that the Brahman live in Agraham located in the north, non-Brahmin somewhere in the middle, and at a distance to the south there is a Cheri or the colony for the lowest castes. Some of the activists of the castes relate to the wider social setting, which is based on the principle of ascription, birth determining, and the membership of a person and status of the group. Each group in certain ways represents a segment of the society and regulates its affair. Thank you.